We are from engineering from here today. We're gonna show you one topic of our school. Okay, let's see, where is that? Okay, this one. Today I will show you how to control this robot. This one is animal. Okay, this is the educational robot for beginner to less education. It's low cost and easy to run kit to get experience about graphical programming and robotics and electronics. Okay, it is easy to assembly. Within 10 minutes, and is also all-in-one solution to learn about programming and robotics. Okay, this AMCO for example Bluetooth module, Bluetooth 2.0 and 4.0. We can control with our smartphone and we can control our computer. Now I will show you how to control this robot with our smartphone. Let's see. Okay, this is the power button. Turn on. We need to download Log application to our smartphone and open this application. Okay, if you want to connect with your robot, close to your robot. Okay, it will connect automatically. We can use this smartphone as the remote control. Now, okay, let's try our robot. Okay, move forward. Okay, move forward. You can turn to the right or to the left. Okay, now I will show you another one. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a line, short line. The robot will follow this line. Okay, now let's draw another line. This shape. It will follow this line. And then we can play song. Now I will control the voice. I will control this robot with voice control. Hello, move forward. Move forward. Okay, now move back. Move back. Move forward. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Okay, dance. Moreover, without the remote control and any other application, we can use this button. Okay, we can by pressing the on-board push button, we can change the switch. We can change the mode. Okay. Okay. If the RGB LED is green, if the ammo is obstacle avoiding mode, it will avoid obstacle. Oh, see. You can switch the mode by pressing the on-board push button. And now let's switch another mode. Okay, when the RGB LED is blue, the amber is in line follow mode. It will follow the line. Okay. In the obstacle avoid mode, we have to use ultrasonic sensor to detect the obstacle in front of our robot. In the obstacle avoid mode, in the line follow mode, we have to use these two sensors and line follow sensor. Okay. Okay, let's start here. If you want to learn robotics and programming, get this robot. If you want to buy and bought kit, please call our phone. Please call our school phone 09444 767040. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.